Okay, let's start today's lesson. So today's first character is P. Okay, so P, it's P is a so P is a imported word. Let's say it this way. So this is not something original from ancient time. This is a new invention. It's specifically for beer. Okay, so because beer is a Western thing, is a Western Europe thing, and there's no such thing in China. And so when this thing is imported in China, and then the Chinese have to, find a way to name it, and then they invent this character called Pi. So it sounds like beer. Okay. So there's no other meaning other than other than naming the drink beer. Okay, so let's take a look at this character. So on the right hand side is the character of Bei. Bei is Beijian. It means lower class in social order. Okay, and that's the original meaning of Bei. Okay, now why use that to represent this? This is because in all the alcoholic drink, beer's the alcohol content concentration is lower, relatively to other alcohol. So that's why they use this Bei, which Bei means lower in class and lower in order. Okay, so this is Pi, and now this is another phenomenon that in Chinese language is that for other language like English or French or German, that when they import some foreign words, usually they just import this foreign words and with its pronunciation is just import like that. For example, in English, like cul-de-sac, I think it's coming from French, right? And cul-de-sac, there are quite many French words in English, and so it's pretty much that they kept the original French form, and so for English speaking people, what they have to learn the meaning and just remember it. There's no way you can just by look at the pronunciation or look at the spelling of the words and figure out what it is. Okay, but in Chinese it's a different thing. And so in China, when they imported some of those words, and they will use this abundant Chinese characters and pick up the one and to phonetically represent the import words, but at the same time find a combination that so the Chinese by look at the character and the combination of the character can readily get a sense what it is. Okay, and without without somebody telling them. Okay, so P is this kind of thing. And for example, another example is like tank, right? Tank, the military tank. And so in Chinese they translate it into 坦克. Okay, and so another example is very, very good example is like engine, right? So engine for Chinese, absolutely Chinese is very late in the industrialization. So when the Chinese first for this type of thing, it's completely foreign and new. So there's no such thing in China. So they have to invent a word to name it. And so the words they come up is 引擎. Now 引擎 跟 engine sounds very similar. And by just look at the 引擎, it's two words, two characters, and a Chinese, without knowing what it is or never seen an engine, and can readily figure out what this thing is, what it does. Okay, because the yin is pull. Okay, pull or lead. That's the meaning. And qing means raise up. Okay, support, raise up. Push up. So that's the meaning of qing. And so combine these two, you can see pull and push. It's all there. So a Chinese common people never know what engine is and never seen one, but by just look at these two characters, and they would readily kind of get a sense that this is something that can provide energy, that can provide provide power to do what? To do pull and to push. Okay, so this is a very particular language phenomenon. I think it's pretty unique in Chinese. Okay, for foreign imported characters or words. So next one, 咧 Okay, so this is another interjection or model that put it in the end of the sentence or end of the phrase to dress up emotions. Okay, and so for example, here's the example. Say 老爷们叫你来为开心的，你可哭开自己嘞，那不得得罪人吗？别哭嘞。So here there's two 嘞over there. 别哭嘞。And so this is it's really similar to like the words we learned like la, le, li. Okay, it's just this is probably a regional difference. So some region is more accustomed to say li. Some region may more accustomed to say li, or some places may say la. Okay, but pretty much the same thing, right? So this is li. Okay, and then second pronunciation is li. Li. Li is so when you pronounce the li, it's in a particular word. Okay, it's called 大大咧咧 大大咧咧 so that is in that word 大大咧咧 or 骂骂咧咧 yeah 咧咧咧咧 骂骂咧咧 yeah. So these are this is咧咧咧咧咧咧大大咧咧就是 casual carefree. So this one actually goes this 骂骂咧咧 yeah 这个也是 goes there. Okay, and so when you say 咧 so this is and in the words for 大大咧咧 okay, so 大大咧咧 means carefree or casual. Okay, another meaning is talk nonsense, babble. Okay, talk nonsense or babble. Okay, that's the meaning. 瞎咧咧什么for example, 别瞎咧咧 okay, 瞎咧咧就是 that talk nonsense. Okay, and another way is 咧 okay, now 咧 is green. That means you slightly open your mouth and the 嘴角怎么说 I don't know what the 嘴角. This is the end of the mouth, that part that goes up. Okay, goes wide and up. So that's called 咧咧嘴. So the words is called 咧嘴咧着嘴笑直咧嘴that means that's basically is laughing, make a grin. Okay, it's called 咧嘴. Right, so let's take a look at the character. So this character, right hand side is 咧咧. Now this 咧, that with the mouse radical over there, this says that the original meaning is describing birds chirping. Okay, birds chirping. But now it means that green, or as an interjection, a model. Okay. So this is 咧咧咧. Okay. Let's go back to here. Okay, so next one is 燕. 燕 means extend condolences, express condolences. 这叫燕. For example, 燕电, 燕劳, 燕慰. This is all express a condolence. And 电燕, 吊唁. It's send, express condolences through telegraph, through electronic mail, through sending a letter, Okay, 燕电, yeah, 燕函, 燕函, that means you express that condolences through mail. Okay, and so this is that meaning. So this character, you can see that the right hand side has the character of 言. Now 言 basically means speaking or writing. Okay, so through words basically. This is called a 言 because this 言, when you look at the 言字, that basically it looks like a talking head. Okay, talking face. And so this is this character is specifically for express condolences through words. Okay, so that's the meaning. Okay, it's called a 燕. Next one, 声. 声 means groan or moan. So this is when you making those sound when you are suffering. Usually it's physical suffering that's very painful. Then you just mourn and groan. Okay, so this is called a 声. Usually it's part of the word called 呻吟. 呻吟. It's right here. 呻吟. 呻吟.
呻吟.
Yeah, 呻吟. Okay. 呻吟 means groan, mourn. Okay. So 呻, 呻, yeah. So this is the sound that you make when you're in great suffering. Okay. So let's take a look at the character. So the right hand side is the character 申. 申. Now this 申 has the meaning of extend, expand, reach out. Okay. Reach out. And so why reach out, expand, reach out, extend? So this means that when you in a great suffering, when you groan and mourn, so the sound you make is also not like a short, okay, spurt like that. Usually it's like an extended groan. Okay, so it's try to stretch out. Okay, your sound. So that's why they use this 申 over here. Okay. So this 呻吟 的申. Next one must be 吟. Oh no, sorry. So 朝. 朝. Now this one has two pronunciation. So when you pronounce the 朝, that means ridicule. Okay, that ridicule, 就是 laughing at somebody. Okay, deride, ridicule. Okay, it's called a 朝. 嘲笑, 嘲讽, 嘲弄. 这个都是这个意思 ，OK， 朝and so and the another pronunciation is 招. 招 means differently. Okay, means different meaning. Means seduce. 招. For example, 他常把眉目招人招惹 that means provoke and seduce, you know. And 撩拨撩妹 this is seduce 招this is this second meaning, okay, pronounced as 招 this character, if you look at it, the right hand side is the character of 朝 now this character also pronounced 招 so both pronunciation exists for the right hand side character, okay. So 朝 has the meaning of facing, like facing which way, okay, or facing each other, the 朝向 the direction you're facing to, that kind of meaning, okay. So what this is trying to describe, say, when you try to ridicule or laughing at somebody, making fun of somebody, then there has to be a subject, right? A subject that you're laughing at, okay, and ridicule towards, and so that's why they have this character 朝 means that you got to have a direction, you got to have a object, right? So that's the meaning, okay. So this is 朝 and 招 Next one, 吻 吻 means kiss, or kiss, and now because kiss, when two people kiss, right? So the lips have to kind of fit very nicely together, and so this character also means coincides, okay. So fit tightly, okay, perfectly, and also this character as a noun also actually just refer to lips, okay, refer to wet lips or refer to animals' mouth, basically, okay, mouse. So this is 吻 okay, 吻合 like a 吻合 that means fit very nicely, okay. 接吻 that means kiss, okay, and okay, so basically it has these two meanings. So this character, look at it, the right hand side is 物 is 物 物 now this 物 has the meaning of flags, okay, in ancient times, and the 物 is a flag, so this maybe it will flow in the wind, okay, flow in the wind, and so it will easily that follow with the environment, I think it, right, follow with the wind. And so this is trying to describe that people's lips is a very sensitive and nimble body parts, and so it will be moved by many things, you know, when you speak, when you moved by some emotions, and so that's why they use this 物 over here. Try to use one type of physical object, that characteristics, and to represent another physical object have kind of similar characteristics. Okay, so this is 物 吻 sorry, this is 吻 okay, and next one, I is when you pronounce as I, that means yes, alas, okay. So basically it's an interjection and to represent like affirmation, okay, acknowledgement, okay. So sometimes also it's representing a sigh, okay. So this is I. A second pronunciation is I. I is more emphasized on sadness. It's like a heavy sigh, okay. Okay, so it's So to express sadness, to express regret, okay, to express sympathy, that kind of emotion, okay. So this is I. Now let's look at the character. So this character, you can see that the right hand side is yi, okay. Yi, yi is in classic Chinese. It means order or request, okay. Means order or request. Also, it's a model character, interjection kind of thing, to add it at the end of phrase or end of sentence to express certain emotions, okay. Emotions and agreement, acknowledgement, things like that. Okay, so this is I. Next one. 啥 啥 is what, or yeah, it's what. Now this what it's called, it's a pronoun used in a question or used in a statement. So using a question, it's it's equivalent to what in English. Used as a pronoun, that's equivalent in as some in English. Okay. So this is 啥 now this is usually it's in dialect. Okay, dialect they use 啥有啥说啥怕个啥这个干啥就是干啥 is 干什么就啥 is means 什么so in Mandarin, in the standard Mandarin, is actually 什么 but in some dialect, people just say 啥 instead of 什么 okay. Let's take a look at the character. So the right hand side is the character of 射 射 射 has the meaning of 和 和 basically is another way to say what or to say 什么 okay. 和 is a classic way, so traditional way of saying 什么 okay. So 叫和何年何月何年何月 that in modern Chinese is 哪年哪月什么年什么月何年何月so for efficiency and so still that people a lot of times they use 何年何月何人对吧 and the 啥 is also because it's efficiency, because it's a single syllable, so a lot of dialects and they use that, okay, instead of 什么 so this is 蛇 啥 okay. Next one 多 多 now 多 is 多 means taboo. It's an onomatopoeia, okay. So do it's a try to just describe a certain type of sound, a beating sound, okay. But this is a character used in a very common word called 哆嗦 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 means tremble, means shake, means quivering, okay. 哆嗦 okay. Yeah, so this is 多 okay. 多 and this very simple on the right hand side is the character of 多 多 means more, like more than normal. It's called 多 more than average, called 多 okay. So this is 多 next one 咪 mi means it's also a onomatopoeia to describe a sound that a cat makes, meow, right. This mi meow. So mi 猫咪 so that's why the cat in Chinese sometimes people call them 猫咪猫咪的咪就是咪这个咪猫咪so because the cat makes the mi sound, okay. And another is usage is like 笑眯眯 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 that means it's try to describe that smiling face, okay, smiling face. So usually when you say 笑眯眯 微笑的样子笑眯眯 is describing the smile that is prolonged smile, okay. People like hold up that prolonged smiling face. It's called a 笑眯眯, okay. So this is me. And it's simple. So the right hand side is the character called mi. Mi has this it means rice, which is 小. Rice kernel is small, right? So mi that's mi is means like small, quiet, not loud. So 猫咪 is 猫 itself. The 猫咪 the cat usually is is small, right? The size is small, and meow, and the sound they are making is also not that loud. Okay, me. Okay, so that's why they use this me represent that concept. Okay, so this is me. Now this has another sound called mi. Mi. Now mi is used in in chemistry. Okay, in chemistry, for example, 米错 米错 米座 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 is what? 米座 is imidazole. I don't even know what it is, imidazole. So basically, it's a chemical compound. Okay, that's a representation right here. I'm pretty bad at chemistry, so it doesn't make sense to me at all what it is. But anyway, this is a chemical compound, okay, called 米唑. I guess this is probably a very common medical chemical compound, okay. So used in that specific case, you need to pronounce it as 米, okay. So this is 米, okay. Next one. 啄 means peck, preen, or knock. Okay, so this is describing birds using their mouthpiece, right, to knock or to pick up foods. Okay, so that act is called 啄. Okay, is called 啄. So it's specifically describing birds taking food, okay, called 啄 啄. Now if we look at the character, you can see that on the right hand side is actually it's the right hand side. That character represent swine, pigs. Okay, and why they use a pig to represent this? 着实 I don't know. I do not know why is the right hand side is a pig. I don't know. Sorry, does not make sense to me. Okay, and right now I cannot figure out. But anyway, so this is actually representing the original meaning is birds picking up their food. Okay, called 啄. Next one. 吠 吠 means bark. Okay, means yap, bark. So that's basically dogs making their barking loud sound, called 吠 犬吠. And so this is very simple because the right hand side is character of 犬. 犬 basically is dog. So when you look at the original character, like the oracle bone character for 犬, so I mean literally it's a picture of a dog. Okay, literally it's a picture of dog right there. And then dog plus the mouthpiece that representing dog barking. So pretty much makes sense. And this character basically they kept the original form from the very beginning up until now. Okay, that's called a 废. 吃 吃 吃 means sneer, means laughing at somebody or ridicule. Okay, it's called 吃 比方说吃笑 吃笑 it's just laughing at somebody. It's called 吃 but it's also a onomatopoeia, simply as an onomatopoeia to describe the certain type of laughing. Okay, like 噗嗤 吃 噗嗤笑了 吃啦 I mean 吃啦 is I should try to describe a sound like you tearing a paper or tearing some fabric. Okay, it's a tearing sound. They call it 吃啦. Okay, and so this is 吃 look at the characters. So this character on the right hand side is 吃 of course representing the sound. Now 吃 has the meaning of 无知 无知 means ignorant. Okay, ignorant. 吃 no, this is trying to say that usually if you arrogant and laughing at somebody, ridicule someone, that's that shows the person is ignorant. Okay, does not have much sense. Okay, so that's the meaning. 吃 next one 是 是 means addicted to something. Okay, addicted to something or have a very very strong passion for something and very fond of something. Okay, have a very great liking for. Okay, so this basically I love something. I love something. Okay, it's just with great passion. Okay, it's called 是 是. And so basically this is trying to describe a condition that a person likes something in such a degree that is similar to addiction. Okay, so that's the basic meaning. Okay, it's called 是 called 是. For example, the common words like 嗜好 嗜好 basically means that a kind of a hobby that the person has great passion for. Okay, 嗜血 嗜血 that means this is bloodthirsty. Okay, bloodthirsty. And 是 and also some other 势利 利 means interest, like 势利 势利 that means this person has a very strong desire and addiction for making profit or gaining advantage. Okay, it's called a 势利 So let's say take a look at the character. So this one on the right hand side is the character of 是 Okay, so this one you can see you can see that on the top is a character of Lao, and on the bottom is a character called 甘 甘 means sweet, means you are happy with something, and Lao means now Lao means of course one of meaning of Lao means old, but another meaning of Lao means habitual, means like that you used to be. Okay, habitual, and like 老式 So here Lao and Gan and put together, so this is basically means that you are like habitually repetitively likes something. Okay, and so this is trying to describe what it feels like for someone love something to the point of to the level of addiction. Okay, so this is 是 and next one 呸 呸 now pei means pu pu means pa 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 so this is a expression of reprimand. Okay, reprimand. So pei pei it's a it's an expression of reprimand. Okay, and yeah, so basically 呸真不要脸呸真不讲理就是这种so this is 呸pa pa means it's an onomatopoeia to express to describe a sound like a bang, like a crack sound, clapping sound. Okay, pa it's basically anything sounds like a pa. Okay, you can use this character to describe that sound. Okay, so basically this is just onomatopoeia. Okay, onomatopoeia. This character, this word is Spanish strange. Okay, so for example, like a whip, you whack a whip like pa. Okay, also you close a book, like close a thick book. Pa. Okay, so this is pa, and this is it. That's it for today. Okay, so we got this covered 16 characters today. Okay, and tomorrow we're gonna finish this unit. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much.